What are we going to do? It's like, first, if you remember, I explained it when I talk about the chokurei, the horizontal lines are always from left to right. And every line that goes down, either vertical or diagonal, all of them go down. You cannot draw in kanji, not only in here, in kanji in general, a line going up. It's just a rule. I really don't know the origins of the rule, but it's a rule, so we're going to follow this rule. So when you see a diagonal, it's down. When you see a vertical, it's down. In here it's normal. I mean, it's kind of intuitive that you want to go down. But once you're here in this kind of box, I mean, our Western mind, if you have a pen and you have a paper, it kind of pushes you to do this, up, right, and down, because it's the easiest way to do it. But if we do this means that we go up, and this is not allowed. So every time that you see lines that go down, remember this. It has to go down like the rain. And all the horizontal lines, and there are like many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All of them from left to right. Then, unfortunately, there's a specific order. It's not like that you can start in here and go up or start in here. No. So the first line is the horizontal one. This is 1. And the second one is the vertical line. So we start with a cross. If you come from a country that has like Christian origins, this will be a little bit challenging for you, because the first day you'll do it well, the second as well. The third one, when you start automatizing it, you will do first the vertical, because this is how we do the cross. But then it's wrong on the kanji. So we start with the horizontal line. Please focus your attention there. Horizontal line, then vertical line. Then the diagonal to the left, and then the diagonal to the right. And then 2 horizontal parallel lines, one short and one long. So it's 1, 2, diagonal to the left, diagonal to the right, short that crosses the vertical, and long. This is the first part of the kanji. Once you have learned this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we start with the second part. The second part starts with this diagonal that goes down. And then we have this box. And I explained already about this box. So we do 1 going down, then we jump up. And we do like the ceiling, and then the other side. And then 2 parallel lines, one short and one long. First, the one in the middle of the box, and then the basics. So again, horizontal line, 1, vertical line, 2, diagonal to the left, 3, diagonal to the right, 4, horizontal line crossing the vertical, horizontal line on the base, diagonal, the box, 1, 2, 3, horizontal line in the middle of the box, horizontal line on the bottom. We have more than half of the kanji already. We continue. We have these 3 movements here. The right order is 1, vertical that goes down, 2, this little horizontal to the right, and 3, this vertical on the other side. So it's 1, 2, 3. And then we go to the final part. The final part is similar to this. Diagonal to the left, diagonal to the right, horizontal short line, kind of a J. And then, as you did it well, a big smiling face and 2 Easter eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Horizontal, horizontal, diagonal, the box, short, long. 1, 2, 3, and then diagonal to the left, diagonal to the right, short line, the J, this smiling face, and these 2 little lines. Hon Sha Sho Nen. It's not easy to remember, but please try to remember it. Hon Sha Sho Nen. You repeat it once you draw it. So you draw it once and then you say Hon Sha Sho Nen. Then you draw it again and you say it again. Hon Sha Sho Nen. In the West, when they draw the kanji, they recite the name 3 times as a mantra. It's the way that we do it in the West, but in Japan it's just once, so I think it's easier and it's the origin of it, so I would follow the Japanese style. But if you follow the Western style, it's also correct. So once you learn how to draw it, you watch it again until you get it, and then just put the audio, close your eyes, listen to it a couple of times until you get it. Hon Sha Sho Nen. Hon Sha Sho Nen. And then you get the symbol, you get the kanji, and we can start doing all the practices. Thank you very much.